This is the Zhiyun Molus G200 and I have used it in 2 professional commercial shoots. So I'm here to give you a comprehensive understanding if this light is made for your production. I'm your host Mauro and let's get straight into it. In my production, I always try to find the best efficient portable light solution for my commercial projects. That involves carrying the light and gear to the location of the shoot. In the last couple of years, I tested a lot of LED studio lights, and it seems the technology is advancing and the complete LED chip industry is getting smaller with smaller heat sinks and actually smaller packet size when I'm looking at COB light. Today we are seeing much more compact COB light with the same light output that had actually much bigger and chunkier lights, just like the Aperture 300 Mark II. It was kind of that big. Now we are seeing the same light output in a really small compact package. The Molus G200 is actually one of the most compact lights with a 200 watts output power. And well, there is a secret. You can actually overpower it and actually go to the max power for 300 watts. And yes, just pressing the 2 knobs, you'll get the full constant 300 watts power. And after that, you can also control the knob from 0 to 300 watts. And also, I have been using this light, the complete scenery and actually complete commercial shoot for about 5-6 hours at full maximum 300 watts power, and actual light stayed pretty cool. So yes, you can use it at max power 300 watts without any problems. The extra control ballast unit is also very small and slightly bigger than the LED chip part. Both are cooled with an active cooling fan with Dynavore technology, keeping the light cool enough even in the max 300 watts mode. And for my test, actually haven't had any problems using the max mode for an extensive period of time, and the room temperature was around 25 degrees Celsius, and I was using it with an bounced wall light source. Great to get that natural ambient light tones. The control module incorporates the OLED screen to have a better visual control of your Molus G200. You will be able to control the Kelvin value from 2700 kelvins all the way up to 6500 kelvins. Brightness increments from 1% and the option to have the music effect mode that will light up the light where the music sounds in the room. And this is now the music, well, actually my speak. As I'm speaking, the microphones are picking up my voice and actually flashing. The front mount on the LED chip part is the standard Bowens mount, so you will be able to mount any Bowens mount light shaper, from smaller 60cm softbox to big 90cm softbox without any problem. There is also a smart ZY Vega app to control all the functions from your G200 in a convenient Bluetooth connected solution. You will be able to control easily all the light features and actually select from the brain-style presets daytime, tungsten lamp, modeling lamp, dispersion lighting, fluorescent, sunlight and xenon lamp. You will be also able to select various CCD gel lamps and actually match the Kelvin value from other light sources using your smartphone camera app. And pretty useful app. There's a slight downside on this light. You would understand that this small, compact, powerful light would have a V-mount battery slot option on the back or actually an adapter to use it with V-mount batteries. Well, there is not any option to actually use or mount a V-mount battery on any part of this light. Maybe they came up with a solution and you actually get the V-mount option somewhere connected with an additional cable. So for today we're actually looking for a portable studio GERD light, or actually if you have that portable power banks like Jackery's or Bluettis, well yes, you can use it whatever you want. With that actual 220 volts in Europe, you connect it and actually you have an off-grid solution. But I would actually prefer V-mounts because I have V-mount batteries and that's actually kind of the standard for the filmmaking production. So this light will be perfect for shoots where you can connect it to the grid and having more compact package while carrying less for an actual really bright light. Don't get me wrong, the design and the build quality is actually excellent, just I'm missing this V-mount battery option. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, I will be happy to answer to all of them. Until my next one, thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to the bearing icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.